back to my video. Today I'm gonna be playing a game, so you're not gonna really see me on the face. So today I'm gonna play Fidget Trading on my iPad. So let's just get started. But before you do this, actually subscribe and like this video and ring the bell to see more videos. Okay, first we're gonna actually go on with this. I made more because the puppet's like, oh my goodness, there's an ad, people. I never knew there's gonna be an ad. Wait, I have a good idea. Let's turn off the internet. The next video is gonna be one more last ad, and when it gets the last one more ad, that's gonna be good. Oh, I accept. No, there's gonna be more. Huh. Let's just scissors. More.
Oh yeah, what time?
You have to buy these things.
My kryptonite.
9:30, you finished?
So did
More, like more.
Sorry, I didn't get back to you earlier. I had a question about that.
I don't like this. I don't like this. I do not like that. That. Like, that's just a piece of paper. No, I'm not doing that. Heart. Yeah, like, what's the heart stuff? This person is rude. My. Who's playing this game and doing this to me? I need more proof of war. Okay, that's good. Okay, I'll just say it's good, okay? Got my turn. The girl is really mean to me. I just this girl is awful. I need more. I'm sorry. This girl is like, I don't know. Okay. Sorry. Oh, now we have this. Why is so surprised when I just finished the puppet? Okay. Okay. Accept. More.
Pai, eu ouvi você falando com uma pessoa.
O que? O papai tá falando de trabalho.
Ah, achou que o Éder chegou.
Não.
Okay, accept. More, like, I just give you a lot. Decline. I'm mad. Okay, you want to play like that? Play like that? Okay, well, I can just give you everything. I actually have my money. Look, I have 3K. 3K is not a lot. I got it wrong. Well, guys, the video's ending, so I'm gonna have to say bye. Bye, guys.